All right, this is number 2 from guided practice number 8. We're working on finding volumes through cylindrical shells. So let's take a look and graph this one. So this time we're rotating around the x-axis, and that means that we're going to be with respect to y when we integrate. Let's see, 1 plus y squared, that's a parabola that's shifted by 1. So when I plug in y equals 0, we get x equals 1, and we get this parabola. We've got the function x equals 0, which is this line here. And we're cutting this at y equals 1 and at y equals 2. So we're looking at this region. Right here. Being revolved around the y-axis. And I'm going to, magic of iPad, erase some of this that we don't need. Okay. And we're going from -1 to -2. So it kind of revolves down here. Is your solid. And so our shell will go right in here. Okay. And we know that we're integrating with respect to y. So we're going to have volume equals 2 pi integral, and we're going dy. We're going dy, which means I want y variable boundaries. We're going from 1 to 2. And then you can see that the radius of my cylindrical shell is just how far out y distance we are. So before we would have used x. So because we're with respect to y, we're going to have a y there. And then we want f of y. F of y sits right here. And f of y is our function, right? That's the height going from here to here of my cylindrical shell. Okay. And so that means our height is our function, and our function is 1 plus y squared. So 1 plus y squared goes there for f of y. From here, let's solve. We've got 2 pi integral from 0 to 1 of y plus y cubed dy. Find our antiderivative. So this is 1/2 y squared plus 1/4 y to the 4th. And I copied that incorrectly. Let me fix it. This should go from 1 to 2. And we're evaluating that from 1 to 2. Therefore, we've got 2 pi times, when I plug in 2 squared is 4 over 2 is 2. 2 to the 4th would be 4 squared is 16 over 4 is 4. So 2 plus 4 when I plug in 2. Minus, when you plug in 1, you get 1/2 plus 1/4. So we have 2 pi times 6 minus 3/4. Let's see, 6 is 24 over 4. So that's 21 over 4, but double it. So that's 2 pi times 21 over 4, which means we get 21 pi over 2 as our final answer.